Alright guys, just a quick video of this attachment thing. So I had some of these three branches. We have some strong winds and they were on the gutter all the way there, and I was able to get it no problem with this tool. I don't know what it's called, it's just like a rake, and with this 20 foot pole. So yeah, it really saved me a lot of time and effort or money to get somebody to remove these branches. So I removed this one, this small one, and also that one. Many more, you can see. I mean, I think it was only like 25 bucks. And just to end the video, I'm going to extend it so you guys can see how far it is. You can see the trees are very far away from my house, but I mean, the wind just blew everything. They were hanging on the branches were hanging on those gutters. Alright guys, I got a big one. I don't know if I can do it with one hand. Look. There you go. 3 stories. You can see. It's a massive one. It took me a while because you cannot see where. Wait. Look, and there's more. Right? I'm going to get that one too. Okay guys, here's the idea of the thing. You can see, so you use the pole and try to catch so it doesn't get to the bottom. Or does it? Maybe adjusting it a little bit. But yeah, that's the idea, to grab anything that is outstanding, that kind of, with this, like the branches. Really cool stuff.